did the shock in the chrome paint because I thought that would come out really well. It was absolutely hideous. It didn't look good at all. It had all gone fluffy and it wasn't pretty at all. So I ended up stripping it back down again and basically starting from scratch with a base coat. I've just put a second coat on of top coat. I've decided to go back to black, which is actually looking much better. I'll actually show you a clip of what it actually looked like after I'd finished spraying it silver. Oh, believe it or not, it actually, well, on the camera it actually looks white. But it is actually a chrome effect. Answer to that is no, so that'll be resprayed black. So yeah, you can see the difference. It did look pretty horrendous. So I'm just going to stick that to one side and let that dry. I'll give it one more coat. As I say, this is the second coat, so one more to go. Right, now back on to the third coat. Again, looking better. Thought it was easier just to go back to black, so wasn't impressed with the chrome. So I'll let that dry. Alright, well that's the shock actually dry. It's actually come out quite nice. I actually prefer that to how it came out earlier. So I mean that's touch dry. I'm going to leave that now for probably 48 hours. But much better finish. Then I can take all the packing out from the middle. Alright, start stripping this down. Bobbins out first. Right, finally that bolt came out. So that's the torsion bar out. I'll put it back in loosely so I don't lose it. Right, next one to get off, these 10 mils. Should be one on the other side. And stay at that. I'll try and clean that up. But first, all this has got to be cleaned. Right, so what I want to do is I actually want to run a test area. I mean, obviously all this is going to have to be cleaned anyway. I want to try a test area just here with the flat wheel. So just this section here. Well, that's going to take quite a lot. Assuming you're in there, hopefully you can see. Basically, it starts off. There we go, that's better. So it'll start off like that. So there's going to be quite a lot of flatting, and also obviously the anodising needs to be stripped off. Right, I've gone down. I say it's not perfect. I just wanted to see. I don't know if you can get that. But it's actually quite a nice smooth surface, considering it started that. At the moment that you can see all the pitting. It's just a test area really, just to see what it's going to come up like, and by the looks of it, yeah, it should come up alright. I mean, that's going to take me probably several weeks to do, to basically get the whole lot. If some of you remember, I'll leave a link in the description, the video with my Street Fighter, the Z1000, that the Swingarm on that took me about 50 to 60 hours of polishing to get it to how it was. So this is going to take a while, so this will continue over several weeks. Obviously I'm not going to bore you all with it, I'll just keep you updated on how the progress is going and what it looks like. But at the moment I need to get all this grunge and grime get all that off. So I'm going to have to use the parts washer as best I can, because obviously it's only a small parts washer. So I'm going to have to do little bits at a time. And then it will be a case of similar to the top. Obviously this is all a rippled effect. I did have a go at this bit here. So there's still quite a lot of scratches in it because I've only just started it, but it started off this effect. So it is getting there, and then obviously I'm going to have to strip all this anodized off. But first of all, in the parts washer. Probably need the bigger brush today. I've started to get there, so join me again in a few minutes and I've had this cleaned up. Alright, let's just come out to get as much off as I can. I say all the bearings are going to be replaced, all the sleeves are going to be replaced. Overall, a lot cleaner. Revisit this as I go, basically. I'll say, because the last one I did, it was about 50-60 hours ish, but it depends on what kind of finish you want. But the thing is, obviously, it's going to be all this rough edge here. That's just basic sanding. So here, all this here, inside. Same on this side. And as I've started there, where the back part has actually got an anodized coating on it. So I'm actually going to try a sample area of a bit of paint stripper, see if that will help. And then still that to clean up inside. Alright, so thanks for watching that one, hope it was helpful. Any comments in the comments box below, subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. As I say, I appreciate all your feedback. I am on Patreon as well, so if you wish to support me, it helps me out with and paper, etc. So all funds greatly accepted. But so thanks for watching, see you again next time. Cheers, bye.